Yep, got it.
What's up, guys? We're making can of oil. We're using modern flour, Cinderella 99, of course. I want to see how the edibles turn out for me. And we're gonna use this coconut oil. My mom's got the Levo machine. This is Stacy's mom. And we have already did the activating process, which was we grinded the weed a quarter, 2/8, and we put it in the machine and it activated it for 30 minutes. Okay, so now this is part 2. I'm gonna also load part 1 later. But okay, go ahead. So now what do you do, Mom? Here's the oil.
Pour it in. You pour it in here.
Just pour it in here.
Yeah, pour all of it in there.
Now the little container is still in there of
Yes.
the cooked.
Yes.
There's a little container in here of the activated cannabis.
There you go.
All right.
And shut the lid.
Shut the lid. I want one of
Turn
these.
it around.
I want one of these machines.
And you choose the cycle. Activate. Infuse.
And you touch infuse, and it's just warming up.
And that's it. And after it warms up, it'll start.
See this?
It'll
That's
start
it.
cooking in 2 hours.
Again, we use this coconut oil. She likes to heat it up first for like a minute.
It does
On the microwave, she heats it up first in a bowl. And you use 2 cups, right? And that's what it ended up coming out liquidy looking.
The reason I do that is because sometimes when it's solid like it, you might not get the whole 2 cups. So
What's up, guys? We're making
melt
can
it
of
to
oil
make sure.
with the Levo machine that my mama got for Christmas. So we're here with Stacy's mom, and these are my dopest mom shirts, by the way. Of course, using modern flour, a quarter, and we're gonna see how it comes out though, because I cannot wait to do the edibles. So this is part 2, and then how long we have to wait?
2 hours.
So this takes 2 hours.
Yes.
We don't have to do anything to it. We just walk
Nothing.
away from it. And then I'll see y'all in 2 hours and see how it turns out.
It'll be
Anyway. Alright, see you guys. What's up, guys? 2 minutes to the can of oil is ready. Look. The machine is like, we've been counting down 2 hours. It's been the longest 2 hours of my life. So, no, I'm just kidding. My mom had the best snacks. Everything was good. 1 minute. All right, Mom, what do we need this right away?
No, you put it in a pitcher.
Back in here? All right, guys. I want to see what happens when this thing
Yeah,
is
because
finished.
you got 2 cups and I only can find one of them. So
So put it back in here?
I'll put it in here, then I'll put it in a glass bowl. Let me wash it out.
Hurry up, because we got...
That don't matter. It'll sit.
Because I like 1 minute, and I'm like, hurry up.
Yeah, it'll sit. It'll be fine.
It's
For a
infusing.
minute.
1 minute. It's exciting. It's been an all-day process.
Yeah, really.
Well, no, having to go to the dispensary.
Yeah.
By the time we got here, it didn't take long. But it was an all-day process. We're going to see how this Levo works. Oh, infusing complete. That's so cute. It's complete. Infusing complete.
It's cute. What's so cute about it?
It just... Be quiet. I want one. Jeez. I want one. You know, this is on my wish list.
Right?
Straight up on my wish list, guys. I've been here at my mom's with all the snacks. You gonna clean out?
Now, let me show them this. You could do this, put it there, right?
Oh, wait.
Underneath it.
We need to see this. People are waiting.
Can they see
Okay,
it?
go.
Can they see it from there?
Yes. Now what do you do?
And you do this.
That's it?
That's it.
That's
Look at-
so
Look at
satisfying.
it. Look at it. Push
Don't
it.
push the button, Mom.
Push it. Just push it.
Just keep
pushing.
it?
Yeah, keep it pushed.
So satisfying, guys.
Keep going.
Oops, I'm gonna push the machine over. Okay. It's filling up. That's all cannabis infused.
That's liquid
coconut
gold.
oil, aka liquid gold. I like gold. I feel like a gold member.
Keep going.
Just to kind of go, remember, wish he
Even
had.
when it stops, it still has some in there. You have to
Really?
wait. Yeah, you wait and you just
Can I
keep
just do that?
push it.
Ooh, keep
Push
pushing. Push it good. Push it good. Oh, I'm going to see Salt and Pepper soon. Can't wait. New Kids on the Block.
Yeah, it's still going.
Okay. Still going?
Yeah.
We're going to let it go.
No, it's still going. You don't want
I'm
to
gonna
waste
hold the
any of it.
button. I don't
You
want
mean
to
hold
waste
it?
at all. No, I'm good. I can hold it.
Okay.
We're holding it. We want all the oil we can get.
Yeah.
All right. It's coming out. This is the coolest machine, guys. If, you know, I'm getting one, damn it.
Yeah, I don't like the magic butter machine. This is much
This
better.
is different than the magic butter? Okay,
Yeah.
you use that one?
You do less with this. It does it by itself.
Oh, okay. Is it done?
Nope.
I said it was, I think.
Hold on, wait a minute. No, wait a minute. Just let it sit a minute. Get your finger off. Oh, hold on.
Okay. We're going to see if there's any more dripping out of this.
You know how
Did it
we...
make 2 cups? No.
Yeah, just about, ain't it?
Yeah, just about.
And do it
Can I
again.
push it again?
Yeah.
Push it good.
See?
Oh, there's more coming out, guys. Make sure I get all of that.
Yeah. That's probably about it. No, wait a minute. What's that? Is that more?
I don't know, but there's little bits dripping out.
Yeah.
All right. So I want to be sure to get every little bit. I'm just kidding. But I'm going to keep doing it because look, every time I do it, more comes out.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Now what we can put in the container?
What? I got a container.
It won't fit in there?
No. You had that. It fills 2 of them. And I
Okay.
don't know where the other one went to, so anyways.
All right.
Okay.
Guys, this is the best machine ever.
Is that it?
I think so.
Okay.
I think so, Mom. It's,
Yeah.
I don't know. It's more coming out, but
Yeah, I drip here and there, but that's
Drip.
about it.
you see? This is awesome. Now, where's the container we're putting it in? I want to put in this little thing.
Well, you could, but
So
then you'll have
cute.
some left over. But that's
And-
okay. Fill that up.
Okay.
And then I'll give you another little thing to put the rest of it in.
Mom, I got containers.
Because I don't have 2 of them.
Okay, so this is all my can of oil. All mine.
Yep.
It's all mine. And it's all came out of this Levo machine. Okay. And then put it Russ in here.
It goes up further.
In here?
Yeah.
That's good enough in there.
You sure? I
Yeah.
always fill it up to here.
You do?
Yeah.
I like that container better. So what does it do? Does it stay form pretty thick or
You
what?
can you can either leave it on your counter or you
Okay.
could put it in the fridge. I put mine in the fridge, but it'll like overnight it'll get like mushy, like a slushy would be.
Really?
Yeah, yeah. It won't get real hard. It'll get slushy. So
This was fun. That was
if you
fun.
have another glass jar like that, just throw that in there.
I'll just come over a lot and make my own.
I'm just saying with the jars. See this?
So I made both of these out of 2/8 of Cinderella 99.
Yep.
Yes.
Then
Then what? What do you have to do now?
okay, you don't have to do anything. But you bring that out. See all that? See it? This is where all the excess oil is down here.
Oh. I see it.
Okay.
I see a little bit in there.
And see, this is what Jasmine got me. See this? This.
Okay, so you push
Yeah.
more. Oh, look, guys. More.
This is for the person that wants all of it.
Like me.
Right?
I want every drip.
Okay.
I do. It's exciting.
I know.
This was fun.
Dave said save that and put it on something. Like
Ew.
Pesto.
Gross. I do not want to save that
Yeah,
as an oil.
Me neither. Hold on.
Got all that.
Not done yet.
Oh, there's more.
Let me just try this again.
Oh.
See?
Ooh, there's even more. Every drip. And then I'll put it in here.
Yep, hold on. Okay. Look at that. A lot more in it.
Wow. Yes.
Hey,
Every little bit counts.
that's what I said. Okay, there it is. See it?
Yep. That was like easy. That was so easy. Okay.
Okay, there we go.
Okay.
Smell that. Tweed.
It smells like weed.
Smell like tweed to me.
Smells like weed.
That's great.
Oh, thanks for joining us for the can of oil. That was so much fun. I think the Levo machine is the coolest machine in the world. I want one. I haven't priced them yet. You said they're like $300.
Yeah, 250, 300.
I'm gonna be using my mom's Levo machine. Yeah, I will. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and post this up so you guys get all the tips on how to do it. And thanks for making Canada oil with me today. See you guys.
I think it's a.
All right, so this is the next day with the cake pops. Ooh. They did stay on.
Welcome to Mom's Talking Podcast. It's Stacy. It's Tony.